with sense of taste. The stimuli that we know as taste or flavor are actually mixture of 5 elementary taste qualities: salt, sweet, sour, bitter, and taste stimuli that are particularly effective in eliciting these sensations are respectively sodium chloride, sucrose, hydrochloric acid, quinine, and monosodium glutamate, which is present in tomato and cheese. Yummy has been described as a proteinous, meaty flavor. In general cooking, meat flavor develops as a result of interaction between amino acid, peptide, reducing sugar, vitamin, and nucleotide or their breakdown product during cooking from the lean components.